Hello people of the internet, this is a quick first impressions video of the Keychron C2. So far I have learned that there is no scroll lock and there is no pause break. I can't seem to find an FN binding that would bring these back. You also don't get a menu key, you get a second Windows key instead. The third thing I've noticed is that the keycap puller included and the aftermarket CIY one that everyone has doesn't really like to work well in these tight areas such as here, here, and here, but it's a lot easier to get the keycaps off with your fingers in this area, so it's not that big of a deal. I've also noticed that there seems to be some slight resistance when using Gateron yellows. It may be a thing on other keycaps too, I'm not sure, but it's only if you push the key forward. So if you're going straight down, you're good, but you'll kind of get a resistance if you push it a little too far forward. I'm not sure what that is and how normal that is. There's also some slight tolerances on this DSA cap. I'm not sure if that's going to be a problem with other keycaps or if it's just this. It goes down just fine. Yeah, that didn't last too long. Hello people of the internet, I have returned. It seems that after I finished recording the last video, the issue I was talking about with tolerances has come to light. Now, my key gets stuck. If I bottom out, there's a lag on like return time. It'll go, but it'll get stuck. So beware of that depending on what switches you end up using. It's not a problem with the stock keycaps, but like I said, with this DSA I have, it seems to be an issue. I tried my Gateron yellow. It doesn't seem to have this issue as much. It's more tolerable because I kind of don't feel like returning this keyboard. And I think I changed the lighting. It gets stuck too. It's more of a slight resistance now compared to the yellow or the brown where it actually got stuck. So Gateron yellows, you get a slight bit of resistance on this specific DSA cap, which is just some Chinese version of, I believe, a signature plastic set. So there's that. Watch out for certain keycaps. But you can see that there's a very tiny gap between the actual case and the keycap. And I didn't mention this, but keycap puller also won't go into this corner. So you're gonna have to use your fingers. So hope you have easy to remove keycaps. And I think that's it so far, other than pause break and scroll lock being missing.
And those tolerance issues.
So far pretty happy with the keyboard. I'll probably follow this up with a sound test. So stay tuned for that, I guess. And goodbye.